Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Igbo kwenu.
Yeah.
Igbo kwezono. Yo. Igbo mama no. Welcome back to my Igbo lesson today. Today we are teaching you Igbo words that starts with B, okay? B, okay? The Igbo words that starts with B. We're going to get right into it now. Here with me is my mom, and we're going to be teaching you together today. The first one I have, BIKO, please, BIKO, please, BIKO, please, BIKO, BIKO means please.
Bia, as in Bia, come, Bia, Bio Oma. Hey,
Idioma.
As in hug, to hug somebody, hugging somebody.
Yes.
Bioma.
Bioma.
Bioma. Bioma.
Yes.
You
see, when we were small in the village, that Ibioma is one thing that one never will come back to Moji. Ha, ne Bioma. Hey, Bioma. Hug me, Bioma. So, Bioma is hug me. Bioma, very nice. To carry something, to lift, like to carry something. BUTE, 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 BUTE. To carry something, BUTE.
Lift it. Now, BULIE. Lift something. BULIE. BULIE.
Yeah. Bulie ya elu, bulenu ya elu. Jehova kachasị mmadụ niile elu. Onye kere ụwa kachasị mmadụ niile elu. Nwanne m bulie ya elu, bulenu ya elu. So that's the bulie, like, so now the song is saying lift him up. Yeah, that's the song, lift him up higher, lift him up higher. The Lord is good. That's the song. So that is bulie. Another one is BURU. BURU is just like bulie, but bulie is like to lift. BURU, bulie is like to carry. BURU is to lift. So it's in and around the same thing. BURU. So if you want to carry something, you want to lift it, you can say BURU. BURU ya. BURU.
Buba. To carry something in. Buba.
Like carry it inside. Say something is outside. Say buba. Bubaya. Buba. I have another one. BUSA. So I'm carrying this, and she says BUSAya. BUSA. So BUSA is like to drop it. Drop it here. BUSA. Drop it. They're really very easy. You know, they're like boo 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 boo. But yeah.
The other one is BUDE. To start something. BUDE. To start something.
BUDE. Start. BUDE. If you want me to start talking, say ngwa BUDE. Okay. That's a good one. But you tell me to start.
Okay, BUDE.
So now can BUDE. Yeah. So nke nwere BEKE. So BEKE is what we usually refer to the Oyibo people, you know, white people. We call them BEKE. Now in Igbo land, there's some people who are really light skinned, like the Igbo people. Obviously we have different shades, so if they are someone is really light skinned, you find out that they are being called BEKE meaning, you know, lighter shade of skin. BEKE.
Other one is Becha, to peel something.
Peel.
As in peeling the orange. Becha. Ibechaza ilacha. Becha.
Hey, Ibechaza ilacha. Another one is BERIE. So she said Becha is to peel. Yeah. BERIE is to cut. So Bechaji, peel the yam. BERIEji, cut the yam. BERIE. So BERIE is usually like cutting into small pieces. BERIE ya. BERIE. Yeah, kere like small. BERIE. Bolom. Balloon. I think that bolom bolom is just one of those words in Igbo that we did not know. we turned the English word to an Igbo word. We say bolom bolom. So bolom bolom is balloon. Okay? Bum, bum, bum. Bolom bolom balloon. Like this, my hair looks like bolom bolom. So balloon. Come in, BATA. Come in, BATA. Come in, BATA. We're doing these words because these are small words that you usually use in your everyday Igbo. Come in, BATA. Some people you will hear bataba. Bataba is the same thing. BATA is coming. Bataba is still coming. BATA, come inside, come inside, come in, enter, BATA and come in. Bataba, come in.
Ọzọkwa na-abụkwa bụ na English language is njikọ okwu is
yes
okwu na-ejikọ okwu.
She is my mother. Ọ bụ nne m. She is my mother. Ọ bụ nne m. Bụ is.
Yes.
Is. Well, that's a good one. Buru ibu. Buru ibu. Buru ibu. Iburu ibu. Iburu ibu means fat, someone that is robust. Indomie baby. Indomie generation. Buru ibu is fat. So sometimes you hear when somebody is fat, they call them iburu ibu.
Karịsịa biggest na bukarịsịa na ọkachasị bukarịsịa iburu ibu dị mana onwe onye bukarịzienu karịchazịa bukarịsịa the biggest. Obukarịsị. Like when you share something and then her own is the biggest. So nkegi bukarịsị. You can say bukaricha. You can say bukarịsịa. Yes.
Bukarịsịa. I think bukarịsịa will be more Anambra. Bukaricha will be Igbo is be. Bukaricha. So bukarịsịa. Bolozia. The Anambra. Bukarịsịa. Banye enter. Banye enter. You remember I said BATA, come in. Banye, enter. So banye is like you're entering into something. So banye moto, banye ubala, banye na kitchen, banye, enter. So banye, enter. Banye, enter.
Banye, bunye. Oh, banyezia ibunye ibu.
Bunye. So it's like
bunye.
It's
Give the
bunye. Bunye ya.
As in giving the person give.
And it's usually bunye is usually something that is heavy. Kige bunye. So
something you can lift.
Yes. So bunye. So it's usually something when something is heavy, bunye, or something has some weight. You can't bunye this now because this is very light. But you can bunye food. You can bunye is like to give somebody something that has some weight. Bunye because
this one bunye.
And just BERIE kambiri. BERIE kambiri. BERIE kambiri is live and let live. Live and let live. If don't trouble me, I don't trouble you. You live and I live and we are all good, okay? BERIE kambiri. BERIE kambiri. BERIE kambiri is live and let live. BERIE kambiri. Binie. So some people say binie, but I think that binie is Anambra. Bilie is Igbo. Bilie, but I say binie. But you can say bilie. 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 Bilie is like saying poroto, but remember we're doing words that start with B. So binie, bilie, binie, bilie, bilie, binie. No, bilie, binie is to arise, stand up.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because of BUPU. BUPU as in
what? Well, those village elders when you just say BUPU. Fuck. So it literally just means to spit out.
Yes.
Okay, it's just being dramatized like spit out. BUPU. Yes. Spit out. So BUPU.
Then it get me so this one now sound can the thing.
BUPU. It's BUDATA. BUDATA is like bringing something down.
Budata, so bring it down, carry it down, bring it down. Budata. Budata. Am I right?
Yes.
Budata.
Budata.
Yes. Bring it down, carry it down. Budata.
Buruzo. Be the first person to start going. Buruzo.
Buruzo.
Buruzo. So Buruzo.
Only mouse of Buruzo.
Buruzo.
The person will no road. Let him lead the way. If you know the road, lead the way. We go follow you. Like P2B. Make P2B lead the way. We go follow her. Buruzo, P2B, Buruzo. Who know road they follow? So Buruzo. Like now, we are teaching you because you know the road to speaking Igbo language. Ai Buruzo, you now follow us. And now understand Igbo. Where I go? Say the things that scattered all over. Bukota ya. Bukota. Bring it together. Gather it together. Bukota. 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 Bring all of them together. Bukota, like they are different things, so you bring it together, it all together. Bukota. Bukota. Bukota.
Buabu. Buabu. As in Buabu, sing. Buabu.
Buabu.
People that are singing in the church.
The choir na Buabu.
The choir na Buabu. Abu.
Abo tuto kagene chuku soro muneto ya nadima soro utobe ya nadima nengeji neke. This man is like the fire. I mean the fire. Yes. So boabu is to sing. Boabu. Abu is sing. Bo abu. Ba mba. Ibamba is to scold, to shout at somebody. So bamba is shout, scold. Bamba mba on its own is scolding, shouting. So bamba is like saying, telling somebody to shout, to scold. Okay, so bamba, when I tell you bamba, I'm telling you to scold, to shout, to address it. So bamba. Bamba.
So, Mbasa.
Basa.
Ebe basa. Ebe salambala.
Yeah, like
basa.
This backyard now. Basa. This backyard. Space, all the basa, wide. All basa, all the on the left. Basa.
You can play football, ebe basa.
Yes, all basa.
Basa. Enough place, enough space. Basa, because not a B word kind of so Basa. Basa. Okay, the last one that we have for today is BERIE, BERIE. So sugar, sweet things, sweet, BERIE, something that is sweet, like pure mango. That Igbo pure mango. It's very, very sweet. Okay. Sugarcane, BERIE. Sugarcane ni bobo opete. Sugarcane ni bobo opete. Yeah, but I'm not opete, but the general but opete kind one. Yeah, that's what we call it in Anambra State. Opete. Let me know in the comment section the Igbo words that start with B that you know, and we can talk about it in the comment section. Please like, share, subscribe to this channel. Send to your friends that you think can learn something from this channel. Yes.
Please remember to always speak Igbo to your family members. Outside, if you're abroad, outside is already English. So inside the house, come on. I don't understand. I speak English outside, I saw English inside. Oh my god. Okay, so to the next lesson, Kemesia. Bye bye no, Cardinal.